Good morning, everybody. I'm Jyoti Rathore, your host and host for the next 2 days, 12th and 13th, at the festival UVB Udan. I'm standing at Bajaj Institute of Learning, where we are hosting the first exhibition of UVB Udan, and I am here to welcome you and to guide you along as we go throughout these 2 special days. As you can see here, this is the entrance of Uttarakhand UVB Udan. The whole place is nicely and brightly, beautifully decorated by our decorating team members of Uttarakhand Virtual Bazaar. It is actually a festive feeling here. As I walk you through, we are waiting for the chief guest, but I just thought I'll give you all a live update of what's happening, the hustle bustle of getting ready for our UVB Udan Fest 2021. It's a really festival kind of an atmosphere. The stalls are getting ready, and let me tell you, all those who have not yet started, you better get going, because this is one event you don't want to miss after an entire year of being locked down. I will take you to the stalls one by one, but right now I'm just guiding you through all the activity that is happening here. Hello, Ruchi. Are you all set to go?
Yes.
And then we have Puneet here, Principal Bajaj Institute of Learning,
Hello.
and she has been gracious enough to give us these grounds.
Oh, yes.
And we are going to all fly and rock. So, Ruchi, you're all set with your jewels, are we? Great. So, all those who are drooling at this, don't worry. I'll be back and introduce each and every stall. We're all getting ready. Lot of beautiful apparels and craft. It is actually an Udan. The name is so appropriate because here everybody is getting ready to soar, to fly, and to reach new heights. And I'm going to catch people at the wrong moments. But that's all about getting ready for Uttarakhand Virtual Bazaar Udan. Hello. Are we all set here? Great. I'll be visiting you again and putting you live and asking you all about your stall in a while. So friends, this is just a little glimpse of what's happening, what's on sale here, what's an exhibition here. That's a colorful corner. Lots of home accessories, handwork, handicrafts, home decor. All set, are we? Wow, excellent. And we have Richa. Richa, are we ready?
Yes, almost.
Great.
Hi.
What would you like to say to our UVB members about Udan?
Let's fly higher and higher.
Yes, absolutely. And it's such an appropriate name because it is time that we all soar and fly together. That's the feeling and spirit of UVB. So some gorgeous jewelry happening here. And then so many stalls, handicrafts, homemade food. Oh wow, this is Fresh Foodie Kitchen. And they have such lovely namkeens and pickles and jams, all homemade. Amazing. I'll be back. And Jyoti ma'am, how are you? Are you all ready?
Almost.
Yes, you've had a hectic 3-4 days planning it and putting it all together. So here is ma'am's stall. Ma'am is late, but she's getting ready. These are candles, and let me tell you, we have some very fine cuisine happening here. Hello, Lubna. Hello. Are you all ready? You're getting ready with the stall. How do you feel about the exhibition after the lockdown?
So relieved.
So relieved, yes. And we've missed this fun, haven't we?
This fun is amazing.
Great.
So many new friends.
Yes.
Joined
And I will be back soon with details of your store.
Please done. I hope it's better.
Lots of things happening. So ladies and gents and kids, get ready and come and be part of Uttarakhand Virtual Bazaar Udan, the first exhibition of this year post-COVID. And we have lovely food stalls which are getting ready. I'm already drooling. We have the lovely samosa chole there, the pahari khana. We have Himalayan spices. We have pan pan with its famous vada pav. And this is Team Pan Pan, the support. So we are ready here. Wow. And we have some spices and pulses from the hills. Pickles. It is absolutely amazing the kind of handicrafts, local food which is here. Handcrafted, smoked and embroidered angels baby sets. So guys, don't sit at home. Get ready and get to Udan Uttarakhand Virtual Bazaar exhibition. Hello everybody. You're all set? Excited? Great. I'm sure it's going to be rocking. Yes. And we have some pottery. Hello. And some Fibers India. We have some lovely, amazing stuff. Come support artisans of Uttarakhand. And that is our stage where we are going to have the cultural events from 4:30 onwards. We will have Kanika Dasani, Garima Dasani, Kartike, Agrim, Colonel Amardeep all here to entertain. So we are here all set. So I'm going to keep you posted on what's happening at Uttarakhand Virtual